Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is another part of the advanced locators technique for CSS selector. The common syntax of CSS selector is tag name and then a square bracket, and after inside it we have to put the attribute and then the value. So there is another way you can actually express this syntax for wildcards. So this is called wildcards in CSS selector. Okay, and the syntax is almost same, only there is a difference here. We have to add some extra thing. Okay, so here we have to put some special character. Okay, the special character can be three types. So the characters are the caret sign, then dollar sign, and star sign. Caret means is the starting text of the attribute, and dollar sign means it's the ending of the attribute, and asterisk means it represents the text content anywhere. It doesn't matter whether beginning or end. So we will see this thing. So let's get started. So this is our practice page, and if we want to inspect suppose this element, what we can do, right click and then we can choose inspect. Okay, so once we hit the inspect option, then it will open the Chrome developer tool, and you will see this element is highlighting this thing. Okay, so here we see there are many names of this class, right? The class name contains class 1, class 2, class 3. So here we just saw that if we can use the caret sign, then it will start, it will if we want to use the starting text value, then we can use caret sign, and for last text we can, last ending text, we can use dollar sign, and anywhere star sign. So let's come here, and for this case, suppose the input we can create on CSS selector something like this. We are pressing Ctrl F or Command F if you are using Mac. So here the class name is class 3. Okay, so we're typing input, then inside it like class equal class 3, for example, or class 1, for example, class 1. Okay, so here we are seeing that only one class is there, right? Now if we put here a caret sign, then you will see the difference. So once we put a caret sign and then hit enter key or return key, then you will see here it is showing that 3 elements are selected. Why? Because by caret sign we just learned that if we put caret sign, then it will start checking any of the elements it has the class 1 text inside it or not. So that's why it is showing 3 elements it is selecting. So it doesn't matter the whole word you need to type. You can type partial word. Suppose we want to type partially, CLAS, for example, and then hit enter. Again you'll see it is showing 3 elements. Okay, so in this way you can use caret sign if you want to inspect couple of elements. And now if you want to check whether any class name contains something which is at the end, suppose here the class name, the end is class 2. Okay, so we can type class 2 and then we can put a dollar sign. For searching we have to search from the end, we have to type dollar, and then if you hit after typing this, hit enter, then you will see it is able to select that element. So dollar sign basically it search from the end of the text. So instead of typing class 2, we can type like this ss2. It will still able to search because this is the ending text of this HTML element. Okay, now come to the other one, the wildcard one. The asterisk represents the text content anywhere. Okay, so for this case, suppose here instead of something like this, if we type CLASS, for example, class, and then we have to type here asterisk. Okay, then if you hit enter key or return key, then you will see there are multiple elements it's selected, like 3 elements. Okay, because this one has class CLA class. Okay, then if you go to the next element, this one also has class. So it doesn't matter where the text contains where, it matters whether the class name it contains that text or not. So in this way you can use this type of thing like caret sign or dollar sign or this asterisk sign to find the element. Now this is not only applicable for this class attribute, it is also attribute for other element also. For example, here there is a placeholder. We can also use this thing. So we can type here instead of class placeholder, and inside the placeholder there are some text. Suppose there is some on text is 2 dot. Okay, if we type simply 1 dot, it will able to find, right? See, here it is placeholder and it is showing 3 elements. So basically there are 3 elements. We are putting a static, that's why it is able to find 3 elements. Now if we put your age something like that, or age double dot, then it will able to select. Suppose I'm removing this thing and I'm typing age, suppose age. Okay, so there is only one element, and if we press double dot, it is still able to select that one, because this element contains this text age dot dot, and we use the asterisk sign. Okay, so that's all guys. In this way, using the CSS selector, you can also search particular element, or you can inspect the particular element by using this special characters. Okay, the syntax should be same, only there is difference. Here you have to type the wildcards, either the caret sign or dollar sign asterisk. Caret means it's the beginning, dollar means it's the end, and star means anywhere of the text string. That's all guys. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to inspect element based on this wildcard characters and the CSS selectors altogether. This is on type of advanced locators. In the next video I'll show you another type of selector techniques. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.